Welcome, super entrepreneur, to this Shark Tank review of Truffle Shuffle that was on season 12 episode. I should have looked it up prior. Melissa, my wife, and I went through a class with Chef Tyler. It was really great.
It was really fun. They added a music element. There was a band, I forget what their name was.
Fault Lines.
All night, every night.
It's awesome to have music while you're
Live music. Plus they had a DJ and sound effects and a live audience. They're actually on tour right now going across the country. In fact, I'm not sure when this review will go live, but I will be interviewing one or all three of them, the founders, here on the channel. So make sure you get subscribed so you don't miss that coming up in the future when they get here to Philadelphia. Looking forward to that. So we made Risotto Milanese.
Alla Milanese.
Black truffle and chives, and it looks great. It took, I think the one thing for me was I wasn't expecting it to take 2 hours to go through the class. That's the only thing that I wasn't prepared for, because they started at 8 o'clock at night, which was great for our kids to be in bed. But then 2 hours later, it's now 10 o'clock at night, and I'm very hungry. But if I was on the West Coast, it would be perfect, right? It would be, well, not perfect, but it would be pretty good. It was a lot of fun. It goes through on Zoom, so they send you this card here. That card gives you your Zoom link for you to join in the call, and then they're getting people to dance, and they got the live audience. It's a lot of fun. They had, I don't know, it was probably like 30 or 40 people in the Zoom call, which was awesome to see that many people on a Sunday night making risotto together. They ship you a package with
chicken broth, saffron, Parmesan cheese, and butter, chives, shallots. The truffle salt and the truffle carpaccio you can actually buy right from Whole Foods or online.
They also have the truffle kettle corn, which
I want to
try. Yes. What do you think of the drink?
I really like the drink, and I actually saw somebody comment in the chat if they sell the mixer, and I definitely agree that they should, because it's really good. It's definitely a good drink.
So yeah, so now it's just time to try the food.
And I already tasted it, but it was really delicious. So while you're cooking, you have to eat it, right?
Well, it's hot.
You can really taste the truffle.
Yeah,
it's so good.
It's very, very good.
It's
very
delicious.
strong. Yeah. Very happy with it.
Yes. I would definitely do it again.
Now, I do have to say that Truffle Shuffle sent us the kit and the entry into the class free of charge.
Yes,
for us to be able to review it. So thank you for that. But they didn't review what we said, had to say or anything like that. But prior to this video going live, so this is our honest opinion. Like I said, I'm a hungry man. It's 10 o'clock at night. I'm looking forward to seeing this. Yeah. It was very good.
Worth the wait.
Absolutely. Definitely would do it again. I saw they have Raekwon coming up from Wu-Tang Clan as a chef. Definitely say 2 thumbs up on the Truffle Shuffle
like
experience.
A restaurant quality.
Yeah. Great job, guys, and Sarah.
Thank you.
Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I will see you on the next video. Here's my lttstore.com.